Welcome to Blessed Music Academy. Okay, so we are still continuing on our series of sight singing. Like I said, if you want to sight sing or you want to sight read, you want to know how to sight sing, just follow my class. Okay, follow my class. Today we'll be looking at time signature. In our last class, this is our third class now. The first class we looked at musical staff, the letter names of the lines and spaces. We looked at the second class was musical notes. We explained musical notes and then gave all the musical notes their beat, their American name, and their British name and how they function. Okay, so today we'll be looking at time signature. What is time signature? Time signature refers to a musical sign placed at the beginning of the staff, okay, immediately after the key signature. You might wonder why I skipped key signature before going to time signature, okay? So I want to treat time signature before I go to key signature. All right, so it's placed immediately after the key signature, the clef, the key signature, and then the time signature. What is the work of this time signature? It tells you the meter of that song, the movement of that song, the beat of that song, okay? The time of the note, the duration of the note. Time signature tells you. If the note is short, okay, the time signature will tell you. If the note is long, the time signature will tell you. The time signature will tell you this song is 2-2, this song is 4-4, this song is 3-4, this song is 6-8, this song is 9-8, this song is 4-5, okay, when it comes to irregular time signature. All right, so there are two kinds of time signature. There are so many of them, but I'm going to limit us to the two types of time signature. One, we have the simple time signature. Simple time signature. And then two, we have the compound time signature. Okay, so these are the two common time signature, the simple time signature and the compound time signature. Now let's look at the simple time signature. As the name implies, okay, that these are time signature that are divisible by 2. Time signature divisible by 2, okay, that the denominator is divisible by 2. For example, of a simple time signature, you have 2-2. Okay, I'm going to be explaining them one after the other. We have 3-4, we have 4-4, we have 2-4. Okay, now these are simple time signature, okay, 2-2, 3-4, 4-4, 2-4. In fact, whenever you see base, the denominator as 4 or 2, know that that time signature is a simple time signature. Now, what do I mean by 2-2? I'm going to explain what I meant when I say 2-2. All right. 2-2 means two meaning beats in a bar. Remember our musical note. This is a meaning. Okay. 2-2 means two meaning beats in a bar. You have a staff like this. Let me illustrate it here. Okay, so you have 2-2. Let's say this is a bar. Okay, This is a bar, this is a bar. What it means that in each of these bar there must be two meaning bits. Okay, now meaning becomes one bit. Remember our initial meaning when we did musical note. Okay, meaning is 2 bit, but when you have a meaning song 2 meaning becomes 1 bit. Okay, that was what I told you at the end of the lesson yesterday, or our previous lesson. If you follow it, I said depending on the time signature of the song. Now in this case the time signature is 2 which means meaning is a meaning song, meaning becomes 1 bit. Okay, so if I have a meaning here, this meaning, this place is 1 bit, I must have 2 meaning, okay, to make it 2 bit in this bar. This is another bar. So if I don't want to use meaning, I can use crochet, and if I'm using crochet, I must use 4 crochet. Okay, why should I use 4 crochet? Because crochet is after meaning. Anything after meaning will be half bit, because meaning is 4 bit, or meaning is 2 bit rather. So meaning is 1 bit, sorry, meaning is 1 bit in this song. So anything after meaning will be half. Okay, so this half plus half is 1, plus half 1.5, plus half 2. So that is why we must have 2 bits in every bar. You must have what? 2 bits in every bar. All right, that is for meaning. Now this upper figure, okay, tells you the number of bits. Then this tells you the type of note or the type of song. Okay, the type of note. 2 meaning bits in a bar, number of bits, type of note that should be used. Okay, so that is for meaning. So how this one will go will be 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Okay, for 3 4, still on common time, 3 4, we still illustrate it with our staff. Okay, we have 3 4. For 3 4, it means that 3 4 means 3 crochet beats in a bar. Once you see 4 as the denominator, know that is crochet. The other one, the 2 2. Once you see 2 as the denominator, know that is meaning. Okay, so once you see 4 here, it is a crochet song. It is what? A crochet song, which means crochet will be given 1 bit. Remember when we had meaning song, crochet became half bit. Okay, now we have crochet song, crochet is 1 bit. Then meaning now that was 1 bit, because of the meaning song will become 2 bits in crochet. Okay, so let's say I have a bar here. Okay, so 3 crochet will become, this is 1 2 3. All right, so each bar must possess 3 crochet. That is what it means. Must have 3 crochet or 3 bits. Then this bar now, if I don't want to use crochet, if I want to use quiver will become half. Okay, so I want to use a meaning is 2 bits. So what I'm looking for now is another 1 bit. I can use 2 quavers. Okay, I can use 2 quavers, making this bar 3 bits. So I have 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay, that is how it goes. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. That is for 3 4. Okay, so 3 4 means 3 crochet beats in a bar. This one tells you the number of beats. This tells you the type of song or the type of beat that it should go. Okay, that should be used rather. All right, so this is 3/4. Now 4/4. 4/4 is still the same thing. Remember, the denominator, the lower figure, will tell you the type of song. Okay, so this is a crochet music, crochet song, because my denominator is 4. So it's a crochet song. So let me demonstrate it again. Now, if you don't understand anything, feel free to ask your question. Okay, feel free to ask your question. Feel free to ask your question, I will answer. Okay, so 4/4. Let's see, divide the bar. Now this is a bar. 4/4. 4/4. Okay, so let's assume this. What this means that we must have 4 crochet beats in a bar. That is what it means, that each bar must be 4 beats. Okay, so I'm using meaning here, which is 2 beats, and then I use 2 crochets. Okay, so I have 4 beats now. Now if I use quiver, okay, I'm using quiver here, which is half. I use a crochet, which is 2, so it's remaining 2 beats. I can decide to use another crochet. Okay, this is just an example, and then another 2 quiver. All right, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So with quiver is half, 1 beat, 1 beat, half, which is 4. This is 2 beats. Okay, so the movement of this note will be, or this song will be 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that is the movement. So if you look at it here, I have pa 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 pa. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta ta 1, ta ta 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is the movement. That is for simple time signature. Please, when you see this video, share, comment, and then ask your question. We'll be able to answer you. Thank you.